What does success really mean? Is it just about amassing wealth and fame? This is the question we often find ourselves pondering. But let's dive deeper. Consider the renowned scientist who devotes his life to groundbreaking discoveries, not for fortune, but for the advancement of humanity. Or the humble teacher who, day in and day out, shapes young minds not for accolades, but for the joy of seeing her students thrive. What about the gifted artist who paints not for the applause, but for the sheer love of creation? Each of these individuals are successful, not because of their material wealth or social status, but because they are fulfilled in their pursuits. They have found purpose and passion in their work. And that, my friends, is the true measure of success. Success, as it turns out, isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's as unique as each individual. Have you ever wondered what lies behind the glamorous facade of success? Success, a word often associated with fame, wealth, and glory. But what we don't see are the trials and tribulations that pave the road to triumph. Behind every successful person, there's a story of grit, persistence, and a spirit unyielding in the face of failure. Take, for example, the tale of a once struggling writer whose manuscript was rejected by dozens of publishers. She didn't give up. She believed in her story, in her ability. And today, she's the author of one of the most beloved book series in the world. And then there's the athlete, who, despite injuries and setbacks, kept pushing his limits, kept practicing, and eventually stood on the podium with a gold medal around his neck. These stories underline that success is not a destination but a journey marked by resilience, hard work, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Success, then, isn't just about the destination, it's also about the journey. Can you achieve true success without passion and purpose? It's a question worth pondering. Passion, that fire that ignites within you when you're doing something you utterly love, and purpose, the profound understanding of why you're doing it, play fundamental roles in the pursuit of success. Consider the story of a small town boy who had a burning passion for music. He devoted all his time to honing his craft, driven by a purpose to touch people's hearts with his songs. Today, his melody echoes worldwide, a testament to his success. Or the tale of a woman who, despite her humble beginnings, had an unwavering passion for space exploration. Her purpose was to advance human understanding of the universe. Today, she's a renowned astrophysicist, her success soaring as high as the stars she studies. These stories highlight an undeniable truth. Passion and purpose aren't just elements of success, they are its lifeblood. Passion and purpose, it seems, are the fuel that drives the engine of success. How important is mindset in the pursuit of success? Let's dive into this. Imagine the mind as a sculptor's tool, carving out our reality from the raw marble of possibility. A positive mindset doesn't just help us see the bright side of things. It helps us to transform challenges into stepping stones, setbacks into comebacks. Take the story of Thomas Edison, for example. He failed thousands of times before inventing the electric light bulb. But did he see those as failures? No. He viewed them as steps on the path to success. His mindset was his compass, guiding him through the storm of doubts and discouragements. Or consider J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter took the world by storm. Her mindset, that of persistence and belief in her creation, ultimately shaped her reality. Mindset isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about shaping your reality, turning the impossible into the possible, the dream into a reality. Mindset, then, is not just a factor in success. It's a key determinant. So, what's the secret of true success? You might ask. Let's take a moment to revisit our journey thus far. We've explored the true meaning of success, looked beyond the surface to its unseen side, recognized the crucial role of passion and purpose, and delved into the transformative power of mindset. But here's the thing. The real secret of true success isn't about the accolades you amass or the wealth you accumulate. It's about who you become in the process. Imagine a caterpillar. It's not the beauty of the butterfly that's the real triumph, but the transformation it undergoes to reach that point. Similarly, your journey towards success is about evolving, learning, and growing. It's about pushing boundaries, overcoming obstacles, and emerging stronger, wiser, and more fulfilled. True success, then, is about personal growth and fulfillment. It's about becoming the best version of yourself.